Hey everybody, it's Michael Fennell. Welcome to another episode of Michael's Minute. We're here in Red Bay, Alabama at our van plant production facility, and I have Mr. Garrett Kelly with us today. Garrett is a product technical specialist. Thank you for being on the show, Garrett.
Yep, I'm glad to be here.
We are going to be discussing over the next 3 videos our GH1, and we are going to show you guys some tips, some maintenance tips, and also some setup tips. So stay tuned and we'll show you more. In this video, Garrett's going to be showing you about the Lagun table, where they're located, how to put them together, and how to install them.
Here I have your Lagun table. It is located behind the jump seats, and I have the mounting arm and mounting leg. You'll find both of these located in your passenger side overhead cabinet above your sink. To install these, you just want to slide over the little mounting brackets and lock them in place. If you find that they're a little loose, you can adjust the tensioner screw on the side to make sure they lock in place and are tight. But you'll install the arm to your base that's on the table, and then take the leg and install it to the arm. And again, if you're loose, we'll tighten the screw on the side. That way you have a good snug locked in leg. You'll find your Lagun mounting bracket on the wall here next to the jump seats. It's a little easier if you put the leg on the bracket on the wall first, but it'll just slide down on the track. And then tighten your screw and then lock it in place. With your mounting arm attached to your Lagun table and then your mounting leg attached to the wall, you just slide the arm over top of the leg and adjust your tension screw and lock it in place. Then you have a fully functional swivel table here, you know, if you want to eat dinner, use a laptop, whatnot. If you find the height is not adequate for your needs, there's an adjustment on the wall with a bracket. You can unlatch to latch it to the bracket on the wall, and then you'll have some height adjustment there. You know, to adjust it as you need it, and just lock it back in place.
And as always, guys, we thank you for being on our show with us today. And we also ask that you leave us any feedback in our comment sections below. Until next time, happy trails.